I'm not going to bore everybody with how to make this cake I'm fixed to make. It's going to be a red velvet and white cake together, making a very beautiful marble cake. I will let you know real quick that I do use milk in place of the water in both of these mixes. Afterwards, this video is all about the delicious cream cheese icing you aren't going to want to miss. So we'll run through this video real quick on making these cakes, and we'll join you back afterwards on how to make the icing.
Don't give up when times are tough. We all fall down. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. It's part of the journey. Stay on the path to where your life will turn. You never know. There's always more to learn. It's time to go. Don't give up. The past is done. A new day has just begun. We all fall down to stand up, to stand up.
Okay, now that we have the cake finished, we're working on the icing. This was 2 blocks of cream cheese. I just blended it up by itself to break it up, cream it together real good. And now we're gonna be adding a 1/2 cup of softened butter. We're gonna blend it in also. Okay, after you have the butter mixed in very well, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And blend some more. Now to finish off this icing, we're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to slowly add it in and only mix what you have to. Do not over mix this.